Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can find Facebook user location. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After updating it, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now, locate the account of which you would like to find the location. You can also search for, so I will search for Mark Zuckerberg. Once you have found the target account, open it and click on See More Embed to see all of the location details of that account. If that account doesn't have any details, you can guess their location by going through their posts or just directly ask them. And that's how you can find Facebook user location. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.